I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser. The millionaire who lived in this Polk County waterfront home spent more than $100,000 on estate planning, but then he was diagnosed with dementia and ended up in guardianship, and all his wishes were disregarded. Now his family is speaking out, advocating a new law that they hope will prevent the same thing from happening to other families. Donald Pete Beatty was a simple man who lived an extraordinary life.
He was such a millionaire and so successful.
Pete's empire included a rock quarry, a cattle ranch, and an orange grove. He bought and sold thousands of acres, making millions and inspiring his stepson Ray along the way.
Pete taught me that a man with a third-grade education can accomplish anything in this country.
Pete also won $17.5 million in the Florida lottery in 1990. But 2 years later, his first marriage ended, and his winnings went to his wife and children in the divorce settlement. In 2002, Pete married his second wife and longtime business manager Doris, whose son Ray was from a previous marriage.
My life was dedicated to Pete. 24/7 was Pete and the businesses.
But Doris and Pete divorced in 2007. Doris kept the couple's lakefront home, but Pete moved back in months later and lived with her there for the next 12 years, even though they never remarried. In 2016, Pete signed legal documents appointing Doris to manage his affairs if he was no longer able to.
I was to be trustee, guardian, and healthcare surrogate.
He hired a lawyer, he had notaries, he had witnesses. He did everything years ago.
Pete gave $100,000 a year to the Mayo Clinic and donated money to build a surgical wing at a Plant City hospital. In his trust agreement, he planned to share his wealth.
You know, if a man wants to leave 40% of his trust like Pete did to give away to people, that's his right. And my mom was going to help spread that 40% amongst various causes.
Pete's trust said his son shall not receive any property or serve as trustees for any reason or under any circumstance. In 2019, Pete showed signs of dementia. When Doris tried to stop him from driving, a confused Pete pulled a gun on her. She called police.
Pete was arrested. Then I got him out of jail, and then I hired sitters to help me to take care of Pete.
Doris petitioned to be his guardian, but his sons filed a counter-petition seeking guardianship, describing Doris as Pete's ex-spouse. A judge removed all Pete's rights and appointed a professional guardian to oversee his vast estate.
Pete was removed from the home and isolated, neglected, abandoned.
The guardian restricted Doris's visitation and bought another house with Pete's money, hiring round-the-clock caregivers. She was paid more than $100,000 from his funds in just 5 months.
He cried like a baby every time he talked to me because he couldn't take it.
The guardian's attorney and Pete's sons alleged Pete's trust agreement was invalid, saying he was incapacitated when he signed it.
It was decided that we would have a mediation to see if we reach an agreement.
Doris eventually signed a new agreement giving up most of her financial interest in exchange for more visitation.
They're using the visitation as a way of coercing you to sign away everything.
I signed it. They put a restraining order on me a few months after, and I couldn't visit Pete anymore.
In the restraining order, the guardian and caregivers described Doris as threatening and toxic and said she was responsible for upsetting Pete when she visited. Doris said the guardian took away Pete's cell phone, but somehow he managed to call her one last time. She says at that time, Pete thought she had abandoned him.
Hey, Doris, it wouldn't hurt you to give me a call. You know, I'm here by myself, and it's lonesome.
I complained to the DCF. I complained to the FBI. I complained to the sheriff, to the local police, and nothing happened.
Pete died about a year into the guardianship. Because you never saw this man again who you loved.
No, I couldn't even go to his funeral. They didn't allow me to go to his funeral.
Hearing what some people have gone through, it really opened my eyes that, we need to start somewhere. We need to start doing something.
Florida Representative Rita Harris is sponsoring House Bill 887, which would prevent guardians from denying visitation to families unless they can show clear and convincing evidence that contact is not in the ward's best interest. It would also allow juries to be used in guardianship cases for the first time to determine the validity of legal agreements.
They're an objective body of 6. They got no skin in the game.
I saw these people doing things that nobody can imagine they could be able to do it. And nothing happened. The judge was right there watching everything.
Doris and Ray plan to travel to Tallahassee to support the bill. Representative Harris hopes to get it past the finish line.
Do you expect, some pushback from the Florida bar?
I believe so. I mean, they are used to the way things have been running.
My team investigator Adam Walser with photojournalist Randy Wright taking action for you.